When I started sewing, I had to figure it out how to serge without a serger instead of buying an expensive machine. These are the two easiest ways I found. Hello, Sarah here, a project-based sewing course instructor living in Vancouver, BC. I remember my old days. I didn't have a serger when I started sewing. My passion for sewing was always making clothes from the beginning. There are several ways you can hide the raw edges. However, these are my personal top twos. I find it the easiest. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you do not miss any of my projects or tips I share. Let's get started. What is the easiest way to serge without a serger for you? Just leave me on a comment. Also, if you want to know more about your presser foot, just let me know. I will be happy to answer it. Again, don't forget to subscribe. And if my video is helping you, please leave me a like. See you on the next video. 안녕.